doing? Hope you guys are doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome to my channel, and for those who are coming back, thank you so much for the support and you keeping on watching. So you know what to do. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, let's get on to the video. So today's video basically is just a revised tutorial on how I do or draw my eyebrows and how I apply my false lashes. So I'm just mixing the both so that I don't have to do like two separate videos, and let's hope it actually works out without me taking up a lot of your time. Let me get onto the video. Okay, so you know the drill, guys. Basically spoolie, a mirror, and me literally brushing out these. So I'm gonna zoom it in so that you actually see every bit of what I'm doing. So I am going to brush this out because I want the hairs to be straight as possible. Then I'm gonna do this. Okay, obviously I do need to go to use my brows. Then I'm gonna take my Essence long lasting pencil. Okay, the other way around. My Essence long lasting pencil. Okay, from the start I move with it, I move along with the brow until I end there, right? Yeah. Then I start here. Curve with the brow. Then I try to fill the brow with hair-like strokes. And then when I get here, I try to be a bit darker. Try to make it a bit darker. Yeah. Same thing this side. And I start here. Right? More or less the same shape.
Say my name when no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady and calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. When no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady and calling me baby. Better say my name. Any other day I would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today it ain't the same. Every other word is a hard. Yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there. First of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. Prove yourself to me, I'm the one that you claim. Why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I know you say that I am assuming things. Someone's going down, that's the way it seems. Should've been a reason why you acting strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. Girl, I know just how you do when you're saying everything to me times two. So why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name. Why you acting so shady? I don't need that, baby. You say my name, say my name, but no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't but a game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, no. Say my name, say my name. 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 When no one is around you, say, baby, I love you. You ain't running. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? You need my love. I know in that hotline, babe. That could only mean one thing. I know in that hotline, babe. I know in that hotline, babe. Ooh, yeah.
And it's okay to do it slow, guys, so you don't need to actually like rush yourself, especially the top part, because that's the part that has to curve nicely. It kind of defines the brow, so take your time. That's why sometimes you don't need to do like a straight line from here to here, or literally like doing it on one stroke. What you can do is literally do it bit by bit until you're getting the shape that you actually want. And this all takes practice. I did not get to this point by literally doing once or twice. I had to do it over and over again, and I had to do it on different people. So don't stress about it if it's your first or second time or third time, even 10th time. Get to a point whereby you're comfortable with how you drew your brows. By practicing, sometimes even when you're not going anywhere, because this literally takes, maybe first time it will take like more than a few minutes, but as time goes by you will get used to it. So now what I'm going to do, I don't like the halo part, I don't like the highlighted part around the brow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to then blend it out into my skin. As you can see, I did not use a concealer that's far away from my skin tone. I picked actually Fawn, which is the closest to my foundation, because I don't like the highlighted brow. My secret ingredient into actually doing my brow has become this Essence Lash and Brow gel, and I'm loving it because it kind of sets everything in place and it makes it look too natural, and it takes away all the excess product in my brow to make it more natural.
I'ma write you my best song. It's gonna take me all night long. I ain't never need no help. I was up late by myself. I'ma love you when you're old, and you lose the words you spoke. Time will never wait on us.
So as you can see,
But it can never age your love. Oh yeah. Say you'll always be my greatest fan. Sing your favorite words just like the band. Only if you love me like a stand, stand, stand. Oh man,
Okay, so guys, when I apply my lashes, right, when I apply my lashes, the first thing I need to do is put on mascara to try and straighten. Mascara, your lashes. Mine are a nightmare because they're so curly, so sometimes I don't know whether I should mascara them or not. Okay, so once I've done that, is my lashes, and then I'm gonna take my Eyebrow lash grip thingamabob, and then I am going to on the strippy part, right? So I'm gonna apply lash glue on the strippy part, on the actually ruining my eyeshadow.
Put it on, put it on, put it on the line. Yeah. Hope that we go out at the same time. 'Cause life without my love is a slam run. That mean it works out, but it ain't quite what it's supposed to be. That ain't alright.
Okay, so that lash is in. Look, don't at me, guys. This thing is hard. This is the hardest thing ever. Because sometimes you have to literally take them out. You see? So at least I might not have actually taken a proper picture a proper video of this. I'm so sorry if I didn't, but it's tough out here, guys. It's really tough. So I've just realized that okay, this side is always the hardest because I mean I can't really like have to use my left hand to place it. You see, this is what I hate. This.
Just thankful that I could find you. Always felt like I was behind you. I ain't worried about no Alzheimer's. No, I don't need no fucking reminders. Oh yeah. Say you'll always be my greatest fan. Sing your favorite words just like a band. Only if you love me like a stand. picture on my wall. It reminds me that it's not so bad.
Of doing the same thing. But yeah guys, basically you see it took about like 10 minutes to apply them, and yeah, we are done applying them. They literally stuck. What an amazing thing. But yeah, so basically that's how you do your lashes. It takes forever. You just need patience, and if you've got straight lashes, then more kudos for you, because it's going to be easier for you. But for the curly girls, be persistent. Make sure that you put a lot of glue on the strips so that it doesn't wear out a lot, because you saw I had to take it out and had to put it on again. So make sure that you don't have to, especially if you're in a rush. I wouldn't advise this for, I mean, if you are experienced in lash putting on, then you don't have to wake up early. But if you want to be banging and go to school, to class with your lashes, then you have to wake up kind of early. So basically guys, that is the tutorial. So basically guys, that is the tutorial for my what do you call this, for my brows and my falsies. I hope you actually found it a bit interesting. Obviously lashes are the worst and the most difficult thing that you can do, but once you get it, you will know how to do it and it will be easier for you. So basically I bought a glue that dries clear. So do yourself a favor, especially if you are not used to it just like me. Get one of those rather than the one that's black, because I mean it's gonna smear all over, unless you're doing a black smoky eye then. But anyways guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please actually click the like button, give my video a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, tell your friends, share, and come back again for my next video. See you in my next video. Bye NomNoms.
Hey, we like to party. Hey, we like to party. Hey, yeah, we like to party. Touch is driving me crazy.